Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be very interesting and very exciting. So if you watch a lot of YouTube like I do, then you know that such videos are all over the internet where a bunch of girls ask questions. No, a bunch of girls answer questions which guys are too afraid to ask. So I put up a story on my Instagram. I've got a bunch of questions that I'm going to answer, and then I'm going to call some of my girlfriends to see what they have to say. So it's going to be very interesting. Okay, so the first question is, why do girls never text first? This one is really good. I feel like all the guys have this complaint about girls that girls never text first. I also do that. I never text anyone first, and that's because, you know, girls are very big overthinkers, and then sometimes we type a message but then we delete it and not send it, just thinking that the other person must be busy, or you know, maybe he's not interested, something like that. So we overthink and then we don't text.
Okay, I think they want importance or something ki
Ego.
text करायला पाहिजे, not me.
Okay.
And they're waiting for the guys to do it.
Yeah, girls are waiting. Okay.
Maybe I guess they're not sure ki what असं त्यांना desperate message
Oh, yeah.
So some girls are shy also in some cases.
Yeah. Next question is abs or arms. So this one is really hard because I just picture a guy with good abs and very thin arms, but I know that's not possible. But I have to say abs because I know abs are very hard to get, and I like guys who take fitness seriously, and yeah, abs are very hot.
I prefer abs.
Same.
But all the guys don't have abs, so let's go with arms.
Oh, that's the way. Okay.
Can I have both?
No, you can't. You have to pick one. What is it?
I have to settle for one then.
Yeah.
Probably strong arms. Yeah.
Oh, you would like arms.
I will go for abs.
Same. Next one is, do girls like introvert guys or extrovert guys? I think extrovert guys, because if you're introvert then it can be very awkward to talk to.
I would prefer middle.
Middle.
Not introvert, not extrovert. Like in between.
Okay.
Extrovert. It is easy to communicate with such kind of people. Introverts, you constantly need to think what he must be thinking.
Next one is, have you ever lied about being on your period to ditch a plan? Yeah, if your friends have planned something and you can't think of a good reason, then this is always a good reason that I have cramps, I can't move, and just ditch that plan.
Yeah.
Very right. I think all girls do that. Very best answer, na? Matlab nobody can even try to convince you.
Not always like, okay, no problem, take care.
Because
Thank you.
Probably whenever if they're planning some adventure things and I'm really not interested. Like for going on treks.
Oh my god.
I'm not.
Acha, so that's why you ditched ARA.
No, but
I got it now.
you guys.
Dude,
I haven't ditched
dude,
you.
next one is a good one. Do girls like it when the guy pays the bill? Okay, so I personally like it when guys do that. It's sweet, but it's not like if you don't pay it, then my opinion or anything wouldn't change at all.
I think not all the time. But once it's fine, but not all the time. Like
I had the same answer.
Split or like alternate.
If you're on a first date and the guy tells you कि इतना इतना हुआ है आधा आधा करके, so how will you react? Will that your opinion will
See
change?
you tomorrow.
Not seeing you again.
Oh god, you.
Probably that will be the last meeting.
Oh.
Bad impression.
Okay, so that's a good thing that came up, that girls like if they pay, if guys pay for the first date. It's sweet. Next one is, when girls say I'm fine, are they really fine? Obviously not. We are far away from being fine. I think most girls are just angry that you don't know why we are not fine. That's why they say that no, I'm fine. But we are not. And if you keep on asking and insisting, then maybe the girl will tell you why she's not fine. But yeah, we are weird like that.
No, we're not.
No, na?
No, we're not. It's like I am fine. Give me my space. And there is some problem which you need to find it on your own.
Oh my god, I said the same thing.
I'm fine is like मला आता बोलायचं नाहीये.
Okay.
But you need to figure what you did wrong and you need to come and say sorry next time.
Okay, so we are not telling.
And don't keep on irritating me. काय झालं. for to find out.
Next one is a good one. Why don't most girls follow football? I think in India, growing up, football was not as big as cricket was. So I think most girls are interested in cricket more than football. And also a lot of international football matches take place at midnight in India, like at 3 a.m. or something. So it's very hard to find interest in them.
I would love to follow the football game. It's not like I don't want to.
Then why don't you follow? You can, Sarua. I would like to, but I don't.
I haven't got that enough motivation to follow it or start.
Someone needs to
It's an interesting
sit
game,
with
yeah.
you and watch.
Yeah, someone needs to push me. Push
I
me,
agree.
then I'll definitely follow it.
The next one is, when it comes to asking someone out, why don't girls make the first move?
So if I know that guy for a good enough period of time, and then if I know that something is about to start between us, then I wouldn't mind like making the first move.
Okay, nice. Huh.
I won't mind to take the first one. I mean, like if I know that person, then I'll definitely. But it's always like it feels nice when he asks out first.
You have the guts to, ask out someone. I have a lot of rejection fear, that what if he says no? And overthinking.
So, but things are working out.
Acha, if you're sure, huh?
You won't mind that to ask out.
If you get signals, then of course you can.
Of course.
Next one is, why do girls go to the washroom in groups? We literally do that just for company, Or if we are getting ready in the bathroom, then obviously we are all together, sharing makeup, sharing tips. So
Get ready together and then gossip in between.
oh, good one.
Yeah, probably. And then again have some bathroom selfies, which I haven't done. Which we
This
have.
is the perfect answer. Bathroom selfies.
Yeah.
Well, I would say best gossips happen in bathrooms only.
Oh, is it? What's the first thing girls see in a guy when it comes to dating?
Good looks, and good looks.
If you're talking about a physical trait that I see, then it's weird, and I see a guy's eyebrows. If a guy has nice thick bushy brows, then I really like that. But if you're talking about personality trait, then first thing I would see is if he is down to earth and easy to talk to. Apart from that, what I like is if he's funny, that's always a good thing.
Eyes.
Eyes?
Yeah, I think so they should be talkative.
Oh,
Like you should
expressive.
understand that person through your eyes.
Okay, nice.
Personality, good sense of humor.
We all have the same only, I think.
Yeah, one thing which I like is the height.
Height?
I like tall guys. Yes.
You know what? Even I thought I liked tall guys every time, but with tall guys, it's very hard to hug tall guys. It turns into a awkward side hug because they're so tall.
I'm not even shorter than my heels. Like if I wear my heels, I should be that.
Some girls say that he should be very tall, ki even if I wear heels, he's tall. Next one is, why are women's perfume less stronger than men's, and which one do you like more? Okay, so a lot of women's perfumes are very floral and like sweet scents, and I personally don't like them. I love men's perfume. I use my dad's perfume also. I just love the strong, mysterious scent.
I like men.
Oh my god, same.
Yeah.
Men's perfume. Yeah, it's men's perfume. That's what we get attracted to, right?
We get attracted.
Men. Perfume.
You guys use men's perfume or you use women's perfume?
I don't.
Men's perfume?
I don't.
Okay guys, so that completes this video. Those were all the questions. I hope it was interesting and fun to watch. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Let me know down below if you agree or disagree to any of these. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!